Hello guys, today I want to show you one very interesting option for 60-68% layout mechanical keyboard with Hall effect and magnetic switches. And this is ALUX68 from AJAZZ brand, and I have a max version with Aquarius magnetic switch from TTC. This is a newest keyboard from AJAZZ. It's even hard to find any sales of this keyboard yet. We have this 8K pulling rate. We have 16mm of ARGB backlight. We have 00 dead band, whatever it means. And we have rapid trigger precision around 0.01mm. Also, we have all latest gaming feature like SOCD, RS or DKS, TGL and others, right? What is the difference between just a ALUX68 or Plus or Max? Important difference, it's RGB. You don't have RGB in base version, right? 8K pulling rate for Max and Plus, and you have different switches for different types or models of this keyboard. And obviously different keycaps. From overall look point of view, this one is a really definitely more original keyboard than standard black plastic case what we saw on the market for the recent 2 months, right? This is a fully aluminum case with 2 aluminum panels on the left and the right side. You can change them for different panels. You can print even by yourself something on 3D printer and use as an accessory, right? We have a really interesting keycap set. They are side printed, right? They are double shot PBT with side printed shine through legends, but also we have this interesting theme, right? Geographical one. Under the keycaps we have a TTC Aquarius magnetic switch. This is a standard magnetic switch with a central magnet, right? And with 2 pins, pre-looped, linear, pretty pleasant on sound. Under the switch we have a PCB plate with a south-facing RGB, of course, because we have a side-printed legend. We have all needed porons inside PCB sandwich under aluminum positioning plate, right? And you can easily disassemble this keyboard fully to do any adjustments if you want. From the ports point of view, we have USB-C on the left side, and on the bottom side we have just several Rubit fits. From performance point of view, let's start from the keyboard inspector, right? You can see on your screen that we have a pure 8K pulling rate, but also I need to mention that I can see some spikes on the left side, which means that sometimes it's less than 8K for sure. From the gaming point of view, this is my Valorant test with my solenoids, 3 different options. This one on your screen right now is default settings without any changes, right? The next one, you can see this with rapid trigger on, so it's a little bit better pattern on the wall with this distance between holes is minimal. And the third one with extreme parameters, but apparently it is the same as default settings, so basically you need just switch on a rapid trigger function. Also we have a WebDriver, and this is the same driver, QMK.top. I saw it in different keyboards and you can find it on my channel, but basically this is a WebDriver, but you need to download some additional piece of software, so it will connect your keyboard to the software. So this is a little bit kind of semi-web, semi-downloadable. Okay guys, now let's do a quick sound test. So from the sound point of view, it's more on a clicky side. It's a pretty pleasant, but take into account that we have a metal or aluminum switch plate and magnetic switches. Sound will be almost the same as all other 60-68% mechanical keyboards with this approach, right? But in general, sound pretty pleasant. As a summary, guys, what I can say is this one is a really unique keyboard. If you want something special on your desk, not a standard 60-68% mechanical keyboard with, you know, black plastic case, this one is a really good choice. Take into account that price is the same, around 50, 60, 80, depends on the model, your market, and where you're gonna do order it. It's a still pretty budget mechanical keyboard, but with very original keycap set, with very original case, and in general looks pretty amazing. And with RGB on, I can see all legends on the sides of the keycaps really clear. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to smash a like button and subscribe to the channel if you like my content, and I will see you next time.